Bongo. Welcome to the Chemistry 256 lab.
Hi, I'm Morgan Schaefer. Today we will briefly go through the proper setup of the components, how to work the software, how to obtain your results, and how to shut down your instruments.
This is the case for the UV spectrophotometer. When you open it, you see the spectrophotometer as well as the power cable and the cable to connect to the LabQuest interface. This is the LabQuest interface that you will use to take the measurements. These are the quartz cuvettes that you will place your samples in.
First, you will begin by opening the contents of the box assigned to you. Inside this box, you will find the UV spectrophotometer and two cables. Your first task will be to pull out the adapter. Connect the adapter to the outlet and to the UV spectrophotometer. Next, connect the UV spectrophotometer to the LabQuest interface. This connection will be made via a USB port. Once the connection is made, turn on the UV spectrophotometer and make sure the green light appears. This might take 30 to 90 seconds. Once the green light comes on, press the red circle on top of the LabQuest interface to turn on the device.
Take out the quartz cuvettes. Be very careful not to break them as these are very expensive. For the blank, fill the cuvette 2/3 of the way full with methanol. Wipe the cuvette down with a Chem wipe. Insert the cuvette into the spectrophotometer with the clear side facing the arrow.
The next step in this process is to calibrate the UV spectrophotometer. Take out the stylus off the LabQuest interface to set the boundaries of the UV reading. These boundaries for this experiment will be between 250 nanometers to 400 nanometers. Once the wavelength selections are set, click OK to exit. Click the red square in the middle of the LabQuest interface and select Calibrate. The calibration process will take 90 seconds. Once the calibration process is over, click Finish Calibrate. Now you'll be ready to measure your samples.
To take a reading of your reaction mixture, once again fill the cuvette 2/3 of the way full with your reaction mixture. Wipe it down with the Chem wipe again. Place the clear side towards the arrow in the spectrophotometer.
To measure your sample, click the green triangle at the bottom left corner of the LabQuest interface. A spectrum will appear during this process. Pause the spectrum and analyze it. Using your stylus, bring the vertical line as close to 300 nanometers as possible. At this point, you will read your 300 nanometer reading. Move your cursor over to 385 nanometers and read the absorbance at this wavelength. To begin a new absorbance reading, click the green triangle at the bottom left corner of the LabQuest interface. It will ask you if you want to save your last run. Discard this last run. To shut down the LabQuest interface, press the home icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of the device. Once you've clicked the home button, select the systems icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of the LabQuest interface. The red shutdown button will appear. Click Shutdown. A message will appear asking you to confirm your selection. Press OK. This will allow the LabQuest interface to shut down. Now turn off your UV spectrophotometer and place all the components back to their original location. We hope you found this tutorial useful and wish you the best in your upcoming lab exercise.